Hands-on practice. Organize your references with EndNote 21. First, we open MS Word apps in your PC. Type in search bar MS Word and press the MS Word app. The app open the different format of document. You open the blank document in Word. Click or check EndNote 21 in main menu bar in MS Word. This show the different bars, citations, bibliography, and tools. Insert selected citation show the selected citation in MS Word. Create a new EndNote library. First search in your PC search bar EndNote software or EndNote app. Set up EndNote library. Open an existing library and create a new library. Type in the file name, my first EndNote library. Press save button. Here the document folder save two files with name my first EndNote library and one folder my first EndNote library.data. This is the EndNote library data folder. My first EndNote library.data. We open this file EndNote 21 and select in Word EndNote 21 option. EndNote 21 main menu bar options are Files, Edit, References, Groups, Text, Library, Tools, Window. File is New File, Open Library, Open Shared Library, Open Recent, Close Library, Save a copy, Share, Import, and different options. Edit show the cut, copy, paste with the text style and font size, style, and change case. Reference the new reference, copy reference to file attachment, find full text, URL, figure, Web of Sciences. Groups, create a smart group, create from groups, add references to groups, or create custom groups, create group set. Tools, install EndNote, click browse extension, output style, open style manager, and different styles, import filters, connection filters, cite while you write, format paper, and help. EndNote 21 help get technical support, EndNote output style, check for updates, EndNote community, etc. Create a new reference manually in EndNote 21 library. References, go to new reference. This window is open. Press the edit button and select the reference type journal article. Firstly, we search in Google Scholar by author, some article. I write my name Arif Ali DUHS. There are many articles available. We choose recent trend in specialty choice article and press the side button option. Side button option show the different five references style MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, and Vancouver styles, and four reference software file for this article. We can save in these four formats: BibTeX, EndNote, RefMan, and RefWorks. Note the article references information in a blank Word file. So we put this information in EndNote. We first select recent reference type, journal article, and author's name, information, put in author, year of article, title of article, journal and volume, issue and page number, start, and save this information in EndNote. This information show in EndNote 21 version. We can also attach these files. Online search in EndNote 21 library. Go to tools and go to online search option. Press button. Choose a connection. We choose PubMed and press the choose button. We online connected. Search options are show and authors. Here we use different options, authors, years, and title bar with and options. And first we type the author name and search. Here we have 11,645 records. After searching, we got all records. These records are unnecessary. Come. Okay, we again search, and here we have, after searching 179 records, we delete these groups and go to groups and select this group and delete groups button press. And note asking about the are you sure you want to delete this group? Delete. So we use and with year 2019. Here we have 848 records. After searching, okay, we again type the full name of journal. Okay, here we have 11 records. After searching, the my search article is at ninth place. Recent trend in specialty choice of medical students. Here double click and note open this reference summary. How to import references from the EndNote database online. Google Scholar. In Google Scholar, we open first Google Scholar and go to three lines, press setting button and set the bibliography manager. Show links in import citation into BibTeX. Select EndNote in this bibliography manager and save. We search the same article, recent trend specialty choice of medical students and house officers from public sector medical university, and press the side button and save this uh, article in documents. Save this document in downloads. And when we go to download folder and double click this scholars, then EndNote open this file in this reference of article in EndNote. Then EndNote import this reference in EndNote library. PubMed. First we open the PubMed in Google and type the article name and search. After searching, we open this article and press the send to button. Have show the for option, click citation manager and PubMed article download in download folder. Here we see the nib file format. We double click this file and note load this reference in the EndNote library. Science Direct. We first open the Science Directs site through Google and search the article and Here we found 877 results and press the export button. Export citation in BibTeX RIS RIS format. We export this in this file format and double click this file. The EndNote import this reference in EndNote library, Valley Online Library. Search by Google and we search this uh, option, use and find the article and we press the export citation button. Here we select two article and press the next button. Here we choose the EndNote option and press the export button. The EndNote file reference file show in the download folder. Here we see these two references. How to insert references in MS Word. Open MS Word file for insert references. Here we have 9 references. Here this article have 9 references. We copy this paragraph in the file and this EndNote library is pairwise ascending and press author button, then EndNote library is author-wise ascending. Select reference article number 1 in EndNote library, then go to the Word file and put the cursor in reference number 1 where we insert the reference number 1 and select insert citation button. Insert selected citation button, press. Reference showed in the end of the MS library. Select second references in the EndNote library and go to Word file uh, and put the cursor on the reference number 2 and go to the reference, insert citation and repeat this at the end of ninth one reference. Insert third reference, select fourth reference in EndNote library and insert fourth reference in MS Word file. Insert reference number 6 in EndNote file. Select the cursor in at the seventh reference position. Insert seventh reference in MS Word file. There are all references at the end of the Word document. We put all 9 references in the MS Word file. How to change reference style? Scroll the style option and select APS 7th style in MS Word file. Here we have 499 styles available in MS Word. EndNote option, style option. The references convert within a second in APA 7th style. Thank you so much.
Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.